Take my advice and do not fall for this. Pinterest platform is not about making an ad on Canva and posting it on Pinterest with your link. And I'm going to tell you why. Pinterest is a search engine optimization platform. So what that means is you need to be using keywords that your audience are using on Pinterest. So if you are pinning something, let's say about keto. All right, so this is my Pinterest. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up to the search button and we're going to put in keto. So these are just some topics that are popping up because these are topics that people are searching for. So these are keywords that you want to be putting in your pins. You also want to use these keywords in your description as well. So now we're going to change it up and let's put keto challenge. So then you see a whole bunch of other ones that are popping up. So when you are in Canva, you want to create an enticing Canva template. So, and these keywords that we're searching, you want to put them everywhere. So this is an idea pin. So you want to be putting all those keywords in your ad title. You want to put them in your ad details area as well as in your notes. So it is very important to put those keywords within the first to 3 sentences of your pin description. And if you have a free guide, make sure you put a call to action in your ad details on what you want them to do. For example, grab my free digital products ideas guide in my Stan store.